Alright guys, we're gonna try to do the G-turn, otherwise known as the tank turn, on this Mercedes G580, kind of the parlor trick of the car. It seemed a little tricky. I've never done it before, so I went down the driveway. To make sure we don't crash into anyone here. Get into a slightly better position. Alright, so the way it works is, and at least that's what I read in the manual, is first we want to go in low range mode, which I already clicked. So just to make sure, we're gonna hit low range again. Then the other thing that I know a lot of people miss, and there were a lot of confusion about, a low range mode, and then you have to select rock mode. So it's not just low range mode, it's low range and rock mode. So now we're in this mode, which shows it clicked here. Now we select this, which activates G-turn. So over here it's saying G-turn. To turn the vehicle, hold the gear shift paddle, and depress the accelerator pedal. So I saw this is a little tricky to do, so let's see if I manage it. So we have to hold the direction we want to go. So I'm going to hold this paddle shifter because I want to go that way. And while it's turning, you can't really move the steering wheel or do anything with it because it'll stop it right away. So you have to depress the gas pedal all the way and not turn the steering wheel, which goes against the common instinct of when you're spinning, you kind of want to turn the steering wheel. So hold the steering wheel, hold the paddle shifter, press the gas pedal all the way down. Let's do it. Oh, almost. Probably didn't press the... I think I let go of the gas pedal a little bit. So let's try it one more time. All right, one more time. Low range. Low range is on. We hold this paddle shifter because we're going to be going that way. To make sure we don't move the steering wheel, keep it straight, and press on the gas pedal. One more time. Come on. I think I almost got it. Very easy for it to just stop. The roads are also, the pavement's not the best place to be doing it. It's a little bit wet and slushy, so I thought it might be a good time. This is obviously a good way to wear down your tires, so let's try one more time. Low range, G-turn, low range, G-turn, hold it, hold the steering wheel straight, press it all the way. There we go. Whew. I think it does 2 turns and then hopefully it stops. Oh, there we go. Man, made me a little dizzy. Not bad. It's a little tricky to activate and a little tricky to do, and obviously not the most practical thing in the world. But that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Let's see if I could do it one more time. Tank turn. So it puts it in park as soon as it's done. Hold the paddle shifter. Slam on the gas. Oof, messed it up again. Trickier than it looks. Do it one more time. Let's do it. Drive. Tank turn. Hold down the gear shifter. Slam on the gas. Whew. I think the big trick to it is you have to really hold the gas pedal down all the way. As soon as you let go even a little bit, it stops it, obviously for safety reasons, and it puts you into park as soon as you're done. So that was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully my tires are still okay. But aside from that, I had a lot of fun. Thanks. See you guys later.